What is going on, everybody? Good morning, Coach DT. Yes, I am in a robe. Yes, my hair is crazy, which most of you never see. And yes, I'm in some Christmas PJs, okay? I don't care if it's a couple days after Christmas. I still rock them in the mornings. And you're probably wondering, what time is it that Coach DT wears a robe? And the question is, you never get to know. It could be noon, could be 2 p.m., or it could be 5 a.m., and I'm not going to tell you what time it is. So just know it is the morning, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my morning shake, okay? Now, just to let you guys know ahead of time, I'm actually making a double shake, and that is because I'm making this for myself and Miss Ashley. So this is going to be 2 shakes in one, but these are the ingredients that I use when making a shake. So for most of you, you're wondering, what should I put in my morning shake? Okay, well, the biggest thing is your breakfast is probably the most important meal of the day. Okay, it's what gives your body nutrients to be fueled throughout the day. It's what gets your brain pumping and moving. So what we don't want to have is a shake that has very little calories. We want to make sure there's some substance in these shakes, okay? So we want to make sure that we have some whole foods. We want to make sure we have some protein. We want to make sure we have some carbohydrates. We want to make sure we have calories, okay? So first things first, what kind of protein do we use on an everyday regular basis? Okay, I do use both whey protein and organic or plant-based protein, but my morning shake routine is always with Juice Plus Complete right here. So in the Juice Plus Complete protein, just this packet has 13 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs, 140 calories, only 1 gram of fat. So this is called Complete because it also has 7 grams of fiber in it. So this is a total, like a wellness. A lot of people will drink these as meal replacements, but for yours truly, this is not nearly enough on its own for a breakfast shake. Okay, so ingredients: almond milk. This is a big one for us. We use unsweetened vanilla. Sometimes we use the regular non-vanilla flavor, but I like vanilla for my shakes as well. In almond milk, you've got 30 calories per cup. We're going to put about 2 cups in this, okay? Maybe 3 because this is a double shake. 2.5 grams of fat, only 1 carb, only 1 gram of protein. Really, this is just our replacement to whole milk or whatever milk that you use. So if you're not about, almond milk and you want to use some regular milk, not really a big deal in my opinion, but this is what we use in our household. Next, like we talked about, because the Juice Plus protein powder is only 13 grams, I need more protein than that to set me through my day. And if you're an athlete or somebody that's trying to keep muscle or put on muscle, you need more protein than that as well. So liquid egg whites, this is my favorite. And if you're like, what the heck, you put that in a shake? Isn't it so gross? You don't even taste it when it's in a shake. Don't even taste it. So blink, close your eyes when you pour it in. Don't worry about it. All I can tell you here is this is pure protein. Each serving, 25 calories, 5 grams of protein, pretty much nothing else in it. So I put 2 or 3 servings of this in my shake. That's going to give me 10, 15 extra grams of protein just by putting this in there. So now we just went from 13 grams up to 23, up to 28 grams of protein right there off just these 2. All right, so my protein powder is also chocolate, for those of you that didn't know that. Chocolate protein powder, and then we go to the PB Fit, okay? PB Fit, which is my replacement for peanut butter. Sometimes I use whole peanut butter, regular peanut butter as well. Super good, gives a little bit more of a creamy flavor, but the PB Fit is able to give you the same benefits protein-wise as peanut butter, but it cuts out a lot of the fat. So for me, the fact that I drink this every single day, I don't want to be intaking all that extra fat all the time. So I go PB Fit. What's in PB Fit? Serving size has 70 calories, okay? 2 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, 8 grams of protein. So now our shake went from 13 to 25-ish to about 30, 35-ish. And that's what we're looking for. I love my shakes to be in that 30 gram of protein range, okay? So now we've got chocolate, we got peanut butter, we got a little bit of vanilla flavor with the milk, and then we like to go a banana. When I'm making a single shake for just myself, I do a half banana. Me and Ashley together when we make shakes, we'll do a full banana. If you are burning those carbs and you're utilizing the carbs, then go full banana. Not a big deal. For me personally, I like to watch my carbs a little bit because carbs affect me greatly. So I like to go about a half banana. All right, so that is everything that we put into our protein shakes. Almond milk, liquid egg whites, Juice Plus chocolate complete protein powder, PB Fit, banana. Now we're gonna blend it up. All right, here we go. Nice big blender. One thing that we forgot to add at the very end of this, ice. Beautiful. And we're all done, okay? Consistency, the more ice you put in the shake, the thicker it's gonna be, the more filling, a little bit more of like a slushy. Less ice, or the longer you blend it, the more runny it's gonna be, a little bit easier to drink, so. Go. There's mine. Put that bad boy here, bang. Hey guys, and that's a wrap. That's my protein shake. So to sum it all up, we got 625 total calories with 60 grams of protein. Now remember, like I said in the beginning of this video, it's a double shake, okay? So that cut that in half, we're looking at 312, 315 calories and 30 grams of protein for myself and Ashley individually for this shake. Do not skip out on your breakfast. If you can't wake up in the morning and eat some good eggs and make a nice hearty breakfast, then you need to make a protein shake or a nice good meal replacement shake, but don't skimp on it. Don't just drink a little Fairlife shake that has 150 calories. I need you to have some substance, have some fuel for your day. It's gonna help with your brain function. It's gonna help with your performance, whether that's at school, at work, or in the gym. All right, now I gotta clean this blender before Ashley comes home and gets mad at me. I'll see you next time.